This is Mr. Phanny. He is a civil engineer working in the construction industry. This is his story. Chapter 1: School Days. Mr. Phanny went to university where he earned a bachelor's in civil or construction engineering. There he learned about structural analysis and design, materials, science, construction methods, project management, and more. He also learned how to use CAD and BIM software to create blueprints and 3D models of buildings and infrastructure. Then came the internships. Mr. Phanny visited construction sites, observed ongoing projects, and assisted engineers. He learned how the theory he studied came to life in the real world and gained practical knowledge that complemented his academic learning. Chapter 2: Planning and Design. After graduating and getting qualified, Mr. Phanny starts working as a junior engineer. Typically, his role would start from the planning and design phase of a construction project. First, he visits the site for a site analysis. This involves soil testing, environmental review, and understanding the topography of the land. Next comes the conceptual design phase, where he drafts some rough plans for the client's feedback. During this phase, he focuses on 3 key aspects: feasibility, budget, and safety. He evaluates different design options and presents them to the client, taking into account factors like functionality, aesthetics, and cost-effectiveness. Once the client approves the concept, Mr. Phanny moves on to the detailed design phase. Using software like AutoCAD, Revit, and other design tools, he creates precise structural drawings, plans, and specifications. He works closely with architects, electrical and mechanical engineers to ensure that all elements of the construction project are properly integrated and coordinated. In addition, he coordinates with local government authorities to obtain necessary approvals and permits. This phase is crucial because it lays the foundation for the entire construction process. Detailed plans and specifications serve as the blueprint for contractors who will execute the project. Chapter 3: Pre-construction. After the design is finalized and approved, the pre-construction phase begins. Mr. Phanny's responsibilities during this phase include estimating and budgeting, permitting, procurement, and scheduling. Estimating and budgeting involve creating a bill of quantities for the project. This includes estimating the quantities of materials, time, labor, and equipment needed for construction. Accurate cost estimation is essential for the financial success of the project. Permitting involves obtaining legal and safety approvals from relevant authorities. This ensures that the construction project complies with building codes and regulations. Mr. Phanny handles all necessary paperwork and inspections to secure the required permits. Procurement involves hiring contractors and sourcing materials for the project. He evaluates bids from contractors, negotiates contracts, and ensures that all parties are aligned on project scope and timelines. He also procures materials and equipment, considering factors like quality, price, and availability. Scheduling involves creating a detailed timeline for the construction project. He uses tools like Primavera P6 or MS Project to develop a schedule that outlines key milestones and deadlines. Effective scheduling helps in monitoring progress, allocating resources, and completing the project on time. Chapter 4: Construction Execution. Now we come to the construction execution phase. This is where the actual building work takes place. Mr. Phanny's role is to oversee the process and ensure everything goes according to plan. The first step in this phase is site mobilization. This involves setting up the construction site, including installing fences, bringing in machinery, and placing safety signs. Site mobilization ensures that the area is secure and ready for construction activities. Next comes the structural work, which involves constructing the framework of the building. It typically begins with excavation, which is the process of digging and removing soil to create the foundation. After excavation, reinforcement is added, which involves placing steel bars or mesh to strengthen the concrete. Concrete pouring then takes place, where a mixture of cement, water, and aggregates is poured into forms to create the foundation and walls. Subsequent steps include masonry work, such as laying bricks or blocks, and steelwork, such as erecting columns and beams. Each step is crucial in creating a solid and stable structure. Throughout the construction process, Mr. Phanny ensures compliance with safety standards and quality checks. He conducts regular inspections to verify that materials and workmanship meet the required specifications. For example, he might check the strength of concrete or the integrity of steel connections. He also monitors progress against the schedule and budget, making adjustments as needed. In addition, he addresses any challenges or changes that arise during construction. This could involve coordinating with architects, contractors, or suppliers to make modifications or find solutions. For instance, if there are delays in material delivery, he might work with the supplier to expedite the order or explore alternative materials. Moreover, Mr. Phanny maintains clear communication with all stakeholders involved in the project. He communicates regularly with the client, contractors, and his own team to keep them informed of progress, changes, or any issues that need attention. Effective communication is vital for a smooth construction process. Chapter 5. Post-construction. Once the construction is complete, the post-construction phase begins. This phase involves final inspection, handover to the client, and training. Final inspection is conducted to ensure that the building meets all codes and specifications. Mr. Phanny checks the quality of workmanship, the functionality of systems, and the overall compliance of the structure. This inspection is a critical step to ensure that the building is safe and ready for occupancy. After the final inspection, the next step is the handover to the client. This involves submitting all necessary documents, including as-built drawings, manuals, and warranty documents to the client. Mr. Phanny ensures that the client is satisfied with the completed project and that all requirements have been met. If you are interested in becoming a construction engineer like Mr. Phanny, check out the link below. Chapter 6. Operation and Maintenance. After the project is completed, the structure enters a cycle of operation and maintenance. During the operation phase, Mr. Phanny may assist with maintenance planning. This involves setting up preventive maintenance schedules for various building systems. He ensures that the client or facility manager is aware of the maintenance requirements to keep the structure in good condition. Throughout the building's life cycle, Mr. Phanny may be involved in monitoring its performance. This can include monitoring the structural integrity, checking for any signs of damage or deterioration, and assessing the building's functionality. With the help of modern technology and sensors, it's possible to continuously monitor a structure's health and safety. In addition, facility management software can play a vital role in managing and maintaining the building effectively. These software solutions help track maintenance activities, monitor energy consumption, and ensure that the building operates efficiently. Renovation or decommissioning. After years of usage, structures often require renovation or decommissioning. Renovation involves making improvements or repairs to extend the building's lifespan and maintain its functionality. On the other hand, decommissioning occurs when a structure reaches the end of its useful life and needs to be removed or replaced. When it comes to renovation or decommissioning, Mr. Phanny's expertise is once again valuable. He can provide guidance on structural integrity, assess the feasibility of renovation, and ensure that any modifications are carried out safely and effectively. So that was a summary of the journey of life of Mr. Phanny, the construction engineer. Every project is unique with its own set of challenges and opportunities. As a construction engineer, Mr. Phanny plays a vital role in turning designs into reality. His expertise ensures that structures are not just built, but are built to last and to serve their purpose effectively. His career is a continuous cycle of learning, building, and improving. Every project adds to his experience and impact, contributing to the development and growth of the communities he serves. If you want to know more about civil engineering, click the video on screen now.